In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SSL issues on Hostinger step by step. If your website is showing a not secure warning, your SSL certificate isn't working properly, or HTTPS isn't loading correctly, don't worry because this is a very common issue, and it's actually quite easy to fix once you know where the settings are inside Hostinger. SSL is extremely important because it encrypts the connection between your visitors and your website, and it also helps with search engine rankings and user trust. So if your SSL is broken or not activated, it's something you definitely want to fix right away. I'll walk you through exactly where to click inside the Hostinger dashboard to check your SSL, reinstall it if needed, and force your website to load over HTTPS. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Now let's jump right into the fix. First, open your browser and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard, where you can manage your websites, hosting, and domains. From here, click on the section called Websites. This will show you all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website where you're experiencing the SSL issue and click on Dashboard next to that website. This opens the management panel specifically for that site. Inside the website dashboard, look for the Security section in the menu. Under Security, click on SSL. This is where Hostinger manages SSL certificates for your domain. When the page loads, you'll see the list of domains connected to your hosting plan and the SSL status next to each one. What you want to check here is whether the SSL certificate shows as active. If it says active, that means the certificate is installed correctly. However, if you see that SSL is missing, inactive, or not properly configured, that's likely the reason your website is showing security warnings in the browser. In that case, the next step is to reinstall the SSL certificate. To do that, look for the Install SSL or Reinstall SSL button next to your domain. Click that option and Hostinger will automatically generate and install a free SSL certificate for your website. This process usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation finishes, refresh the page to confirm that the SSL status now shows as active. If it does, that means the certificate is properly installed on your domain. However, there is one more very important step that many people miss, and that is forcing your website to load using HTTPS instead of HTTP. Even if the SSL certificate is installed, your website might still load on the old HTTP version unless you enable this setting. To fix this, stay on the SSL page and find your domain in the list again. Next to the domain, click on the three dots icon. This opens additional settings for that domain. From the drop-down menu, select the option called Force HTTPS. Once you enable Force HTTPS, Hostinger will automatically redirect anyone visiting the HTTP version of your website to the secure HTTPS version. This ensures that every visitor sees the secure version of your site and that the browser shows the secure padlock icon in the address bar. After enabling this option, it's a good idea to open your website in a new browser tab and test it. Try typing your domain with HTTP at the beginning and make sure it automatically redirects to HTTPS. If the redirect works and the padlock icon appears in the browser, then your SSL issue is successfully fixed. Sometimes browsers cache old security settings, so if you still see warnings, try clearing your browser cache or checking your website in an incognito window. In most cases though, reinstalling the SSL certificate and enabling Force HTTPS solves the issue immediately. And that's it. That's exactly how to fix SSL issues on Hostinger quickly and safely using the built-in SSL settings inside H-Panel. If this tutorial helped you fix your website security warning, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more hosting, website, and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.